I recently purchased the Rain-X 810165 Latitude water repellency wiper blades, and I couldn't be more pleased with their performance. This 2-pack of 22-inch blades has significantly improved my driving experience in rainy and wet conditions. Pros: water repellency. The standout feature of these wiper blades is the built-in water repellency. It's like having a raincoat for your windshield. Rain-X technology helps water bead up and roll off the glass, ensuring a clear and streak-free view even in heavy downpours. Easy installation. Installing these wiper blades was a breeze. The J-hook adapter design fit perfectly on my vehicle, and it took only a few minutes to replace the old blades. Streak-free performance. The blade's precision engineering and high-quality rubber provide consistently streak-free wiping. This is crucial for maintaining visibility during inclement weather. Durability. These blades are built to last. They have shown excellent durability and have held up well in various weather conditions. Quiet operation. The wiper blades operate quietly, which is a pleasant change from the annoying squeaking or chattering noises you sometimes get with other wiper blades. Cons: I haven't encountered any downsides to these wiper blades so far. They've exceeded my expectations in terms of performance and quality. In summary, the Rain-X 810165 Latitude water repellency wiper blades have become an indispensable part of my vehicle. Their water repellent feature is a game changer, ensuring that my view of the road remains crystal clear in wet conditions. These wiper blades are not just a practical purchase, they're a safety enhancement for any driver. I highly recommend them to anyone seeking better visibility and performance from their wiper blades.